Ever wondered which budget superstar gives you more bang for your buck? Today we're pitting the POCO X7 against the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G to settle this once and for all. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which phone deserves a spot in your pocket. Both pack 5G, vibrant displays, and long-lasting batteries, but hidden beneath the specs lies the real story. Let's dive in. First up, design. The POCO X7 flaunts bold color options and a textured finish that feels grippy in hand. It's lightweight, at just 185 grams, perfect for one-handed use. Contrast that with the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G's glass back and aluminum frame, which give it a more premium heft at 198 grams. Personally, I love the Redmi's sturdier feel, but if you're after playful colors and comfort during marathon texting sessions, POCO's your pick. When it comes to screens, the POCO X7 features a 6.67-inch FHD plus AMOLED panel at 120Hz, making everything buttery smooth. The Note 14 Pro also rocks an AMOLED display but caps out at 90Hz. That extra 30Hz on the X7 means faster animations and smoother gaming, noticeable if you're a heavy swiper. Audio-wise, both have stereo speakers, but the Redmi edges ahead with richer mids and punchier bass. Under the hood, POCO's Snapdragon 7 Gen 2 flexes slightly better in benchmarks and casual gaming, but the Redmi's Dimensity 7200 Ultra holds its own in sustained gaming sessions, thanks to better thermal management. In real-world play, you'll get around 30 minutes more gaming on the Note's 5000 mAh cell, while the X7's 4600 mAh battery still happily powers you through a full day. Let's talk cameras. Side-by-side, daylight shots from both 64-megapixel mains are crisp, but POCO nails color accuracy. When the sun sets, Redmi's larger sensor pulls ahead with cleaner low-light shots. And for video, the X7's stabilization feels smoother, but Redmi records at 4K 60 frames per second, versus POCO's cap at 4K 30 frames per second. So, what's the verdict? If you crave silky smooth scrolling and vibrant color fidelity, grab the POCO X7. But if you want premium build, longer gaming marathons and brighter low-light shots, the Redmi Note 14 Pro 5G is your daily driver. Which side are you on? Let me know in the comments below, and smash that like button if this helped you decide. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss our next tech showdown.